I'm going to talk about three important financial radios. The first one is liquidity measurement radio. It's made for formulas. The first one is current radio, is the ability of a company to cover its short-term liabilities with its current assets. The formula is this one. Then the quick radio is a liquid radio that further refines the current radio but measuring the level of the most liquid current assets available to cover current liabilities. A higher quick radio means more liquid current position. This is the formula. Then cash radio is another measurement of companies' liquidity and their ability to meet their short-term obligations. Formulate this one. The conversion cycle that measures the number of days companies' cash is tied up in the productions and sales process of its operations and the benefits it derives from payment terms from its creditors. The shorter the cycle, the more liquid the company's working capital position. It is also known as the cash or operating cycle. The formula is this one. Then the second one is operating performance ratios that is composed of four formulas. The first one is fixed asset turnover. Is a radio which aims to measure how productive a company's fixed assets are when it's come to generating sales. The higher that the yearly turnover rate on these assets is, better the company is at managing them and using them to generate sales. And the formula is this one. Then the sales revenue per employee examines the business benefits on the level of individual personnel. It still reflects the larger decisions of a company's management. This is the formula. Then it comes the operating cycles. Analyze this component from the perspective of how well the company is managing operational capital assets, rather than from the impact those components have on cash. The formula is this one. The third and the last one is cash flow indicator radio. It is focused on the cash being generated in the term of how much is being generated and safety net that it provides to the company. And this is confirmed. It is confirmed of three formulas. Cash flow indicator radio is expressed as a percentage compares a company's operating cash flow to its net sales or revenues, which gives investors an idea of a company's ability to turn sales into cash. Positive and negative change in a company's terms of sales or the collections experience of its account receivable will show up in this indicator. So the formula is this one. Then free cash flow operating cash flow radio measures the relationship between free cash flow and operating cash flow. The higher the percentage of free cash flow embedded in a company's operating cash flow, the greater the financial strength of the company. This is the formula. Then, and the last one is cash flow coverage, is the ability of the company's operating cash flow to meet its obligations, including its liabilities or ongoing concern costs, and there has 4 formulas and are this one. Thank you.